Hello students, welcome back to e-classes of Computer of Standard 11. Today we are going to study about image element of multimedia of chapter number 1. Simple definition of image is a digital representation of non-text information such as drawing, chart or photograph. Images are a media type of displayed as visual information. An image is a picture that has been created or copied and stored in electronic form. An image on a screen is made up of dots called pixels. What is pixel? A pixel is the smallest part of a screen that can be controlled by the computer or other device. The total number of pixels on a screen is called its resolution. In this image example shows an image with a portion greatly enlarged in which the individual pixels are rendered as a small squares and can easily be seen. Images can be generally divided into two formats. First one bitmap or raster images, second one vector graphics or metafile images. First one is bitmap. Bitmap is derived from the word bit, which means the simplest element in which only two digits are used, and map, which is a two-dimensional matrix of these bits. A bitmap is a data matrix describing the individual dots of an image that are the smallest elements of resolution on a computer screen. Bitmap can be inserted by using clip art galleries, using bitmap software, capturing and editing images, scanning images. This image shows the example of bitmapped images. Vector graphic images are created from geometric objects such as lines, rectangles, ovals, polygons using mathematical formulas. Vector drawn images are used in the following area. First one, computer aided design CAD programs. Second one, graphic artist designing for the print media. Third one, 3D animation programs. Fourth one, application requiring drawing of graphic shapes. On the screen, both bitmap and vector graphic images look the same. But when you enlarge a bitmap image, it will blur and pixel will get enlarged. As shown in first image, the vector graphic images look the same when enlarged, shown on the second image. This table shows the commonly image format. First one, bitmap image, which is uncompressed image file to store bitmap digital images. Extension of bitmap image is .bmp. Second one, graphical interchange format file, which is the common for web graphics with small images and images with text. Extension of GIF file is .gif. Third one is portable network graphic, which is used to store graphics for web images and support up to 32-bit colors. Extension of this file is .png. Fourth one is a joint photographic expert group image file. Is used common image format used by digital cameras. It supports up to 24-bit colors. The extension of JPG file is .jpeg or .jpg. Fifth one, Photoshop document image file is created by Adobe Photoshop. Extension of Photoshop document is .psd. Last one is stacked image file format, which is a highly flexible and platform independent format. The extension of this file is .tif. For example, in OpenOffice Writer, we can insert a picture by going to Insert Picture. The picture used can be a file already present in the computer, or we can scan the pictures using a scanner and convert it into the digital format. We can also make changes to our images by using programs like Adobe Photoshop, GIMP, MS Paint. Thank you, student. I hope you have understood this topic.